Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for fulfilling your deepest desires. A life where you're not just surviving paycheck to paycheck, but thriving, growing, and reaching new heights. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality you can create by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Financial goals aren't just about numbers on a balance sheet. They're about shaping your life, building your future, and creating the freedom you desire. They're like a roadmap, guiding you towards the life you want. Firstly, you need to determine what you want. Is it a house, a comfortable retirement, a college fund for your kids? Or maybe it's the freedom to travel the world. Whatever it is, be specific. Pinpoint what you want and when you want it. Next, evaluate your current financial situation. Look at your income, your savings, your expenses. Understand where your money goes each month. This isn't about judging or criticizing your spending habits. It's about awareness. It's about understanding your starting point. Now it's time to create a plan. Your plan should include short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve in the next 1 to 2 years. Medium-term goals are 3 to 5 years away, and long-term goals are anything beyond that. Each goal should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A SMART goal isn't just, I want to save money. It's, I want to save $10,000 in 2 years for a down payment on a house. Once you have your goals, break them down into actionable steps. If you want to save $10,000 in 2 years, that's around $417 a month. That's your actionable step. Then, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account or investment fund. Make saving as effortless as possible. Finally, review and adjust your goals regularly. Life changes. Your goals may need to change too. Regularly reviewing your goals ensures they're still relevant and achievable. So, to recap, determine what you want. Evaluate your current financial situation. Create a plan. Make your goals SMART. Break them down into actionable steps. Automate your savings and review and adjust your goals regularly. Setting financial goals isn't about restricting your life. It's about creating the life you want. It's about taking control of your money and your future. So start today. Determine what you want. Evaluate where you are and create a plan to get there. Your future self will thank you.